Yo, what's up? So, tomorrow I'm going in to make my ECG blood test and chest x-ray, cause on Thursday I'm having an operation and I'm fucking up about it. I don't know, but don't worry, I'll record everything in the hospital except obviously the operation, because I'll be knocked out. So yeah, and nothing, I'm just out here. You can see we're in the World Cup season. Oh shit, lightning just came from that cloud over there, so I don't know what the fuck is going on. And yeah, look, as you see there, we support Italy over there, what the fuck? Okay, I think serious rain is gonna come down soon, and that isn't good. That's not a great sign, is it? But yeah, look, it's like evil is coming upon Malta. Look at this shit. It's like over there, really nice weather. Over here, it's fucked up. I don't know why. But anyway, I really want to know what if I can catch on camera like a lightning or some shit. If it takes, yeah, I think I caught it on tape. I'm not sure though. Don't think so. But the sound will come soon. Wait for it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. God damn. Anyways, you know, I wanted just to let you guys know that I'll be recording everything. And Jay and Ozzy, thanks for your support on this. Ozzy, happy birthday, because you know I will not see you in hospital and I won't be attending your birthday. I'm sorry for that, but you got that white rum and get drunk with that shit. So perfect. Alright, I'm here. Just wait, cause there's a guy over there and he'll think I'm talking to myself. Wait a minute. So anyway, I'm over here rolling some cigarettes. Yo. Yeah, and you know, I'm off. See you guys in a bit, and tomorrow I'll record. Obviously for the ECG tests, I'll record every test if possible.